Okay, today we are going to provide a video of class 9 physics question answer of Ncert. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Here first question is a train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in minutes. Okay, find its acceleration. Here try to understand initial speed always taken if it is starting, then in this case initial speed u is equal to 0. Okay, now next thing, final speed v, that is equal to 40 km per hour. Okay, here you are observing 40 km per hour, and in minutes it means here 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10 into 60, 600 seconds. A is equal to v minus u by t from equation of motion, putting value and you can get answer. Okay, now what is the nature of the distance time graphs for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object? Here you are observing for uniform, here this figure, and for non-uniform motion this figure is here. Okay, now next question, what can you say about the motion of an object whose distance time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis? That object is in the same position. What is the answer? That object is in the same position. Now next thing, what can you say about the motion of an object if its speed time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis, equal at every moment? What thing? Answer is equal at every moment. What is the quantity which is measured by the area occupied below the velocity time graph? Okay, you may see question in book of Ncert class 9 physics. What is the quantity which is measured by the area occupied below the velocity time graph? The object has traveled distance. What thing? Traveled distance. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired, the distance traveled. Here initial speed, because object is moving, object is starting from rest, so initial speed u is equal to 0. Final speed not given what, and using formula v is equal to u plus at you can get answer. Here also distance s is equal to u2 plus half t square. Putting values you may get answer. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied. Here u 90 km per hour, v that is equal to 0, and putting equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as, putting all values you can get answer. Also here given question a trolley. While going in this question also you should put equation of motion and all values, and you are able to get answer. In this question, a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after starts? Here also you should take equation of motion s is equal to ut plus half ut square. Putting values you are able to get answer. Okay. Now next question. A stone is thrown in vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height of attained by the stone, and how much time will it take to reach there? Okay. You can use equation of motion and you are able to find the value. That is 0.5 second. In this question, an athlete completes here also time and in 40 seconds the number of rounds 3.5 rounds, then distance covered in 3.5 seconds, radius, this is rounds. Here Joseph jogs here first of all A to B that is 300 meter and B to C that is 100 meter. You should see this thing. Now distance from A to C. Distance from A to C. Abdul, while driving to school, completes the average speed. Okay, here first of all suppose the time taken is t1, a school is at a distance of x kilometer, you have to taken late. A motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? Use equation of motion S is equal to ut plus half t square and you are able to get answer. That is 96 meter. A driver of a car here, driver. You may see question from Ncert book and then see answer. You are able to understand all question answers. I have provided here answer also. Here distance traveled by second car. Figure shows the distance time graphs of one square on y-axis, that is 2 by 3. If you plot all these things in graph paper, then you are able to understand all these things. There is no problem. Area of a square 2 by 5 into 2 by 3. Now, it is possible when an object is falling from a height, then there is constant acceleration of 9.8 meter per second square. That is acceleration due to gravity, okay? But initial velocity is 0. It is also possible when an object moves in circle. Tangent is the motion of the object and acceleration is the radius of the circle. Here this question is of circular motion. In case of circular motion, velocity is equal to 2 pi r by t. Here circumference by time, this will give velocity. Circumference, you know, this is circumference, and circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r by t. Okay, I hope you will understand all these question answers. In case of any problem, you may contact. My phone number is 6206642996. Okay, and our humble suggestion to you all, anyone who is new, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.